So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the revamped headliner that I've been working on. Did everything in black suede from Joann's, and then I painted the plastic parts that I couldn't get from other models. This is my first time wrapping something like this, so it was a bit of a learning curve, but the A pillars, B and C pillars are done. I gotta snap that back into place after the video, but I've ordered the Q60 visors. I have the grab handles painted, I just gotta put them back in. And I have to find something to do with the tin on the seat belts. But this time around I went all the way around with the stars instead of just in the back. And it's actually the same kit. It's the 300 piece kit from Amazon. But I like this better than the tan. It makes the car feel a little bit smaller, but more luxurious, I guess. So I can't complain. I'll update you guys whenever the visors come in from the Q60. And then whenever I put the grab handles back in, that should complete everything. But thanks for watching.